Hello again. Day 3 of Pixie at home and day 6 of her being paralyzed or partially paralyzed. Jour 3 d'avoir Pixie à la maison et jour 6 de Pixie être partiellement paralysée. Les médicaments semblent commencer à faire effet un peu. Elle n'a plus de douleur, mais elle est toujours handicapée. Meds are finally starting to kick in. She doesn't seem to have much pain, but she's still limited movement.
And she wants to get out.
And she wants to get out all the time. You can tell she has no pain because she keeps whining to get out of the cage. On peut voir qu'elle n'a pas de douleur parce qu'elle veut tout le temps sortir de sa cage. Comme vous allez voir dans quelques instants.
Tap the table, make her come up.
Tu bec? Bec? No? Bec? Merci. Thank you. Okay. So, let's see if she can walk. On va la faire marcher un petit peu pour lui faire un peu d'exercice. Ça aide toujours, quand elle était dans la crate pour un bout de temps, d'y faire des petits exercices, même si on n'est pas supposé de la faire des exercices, juste parce qu'elle a les jambes ankylosées. Juste de ramener sa jambe, de la redresser 2 fois sur chaque côté, juste pour qu'elle commence à sentir ses jambes un petit peu. Tiens. Juste pour enlever l'ankylose, le fait qu'elle est ankylosée. Reste. Pixie. On peut voir qu'elle commence à marcher. Un petit peu plus de lumière. On peut voir qu'elle commence à marcher un petit peu mieux. Puis qu'elle traîne un petit peu sa patte gauche, mais qu'elle se... Fixe. Ah, tu vas aller sur le papier. Ok. Tiens, ma belle. Hop, voilà. Tiens, ok. 4 pattes. Ok, go for it.
Fais du caca.
Go for it. There we go.
Oh, no, it's caca. Whoop. Good girl, Pixie.
Good girl.
Fini.
Petit tout. On fait du pipi aussi? Ouais, pipi.
Oh, Pipi a fait tout à l'heure un gros montant,
okay.
Ouais.
Donc on peut voir qu'il y a une amélioration, même si c'est pas la terre. Ça va s'améliorer graduellement. La crate rest devrait être pour 6 à 8 semaines. Should be 6 to 8 weeks of crate rest. Don't expect miracles within the first couple of days. It takes at least 2 weeks to really see a difference.
And don't let it get you down because we've had some hard times.
Faut pas désespérer.
Yeah.
Faut pas paniquer non plus. Ça prend un certain temps avant que ça commence à faire effet. Mais qu'on peut voir, elle est très contente, elle est de bonne humeur. Elle n'a pas de douleur.
Elle est juste tannée.
Elle est comme tannée d'être tout seul, isolée, puisque nous autres, on a aussi 3 autres chiens. Donc, elle est habituée de jouer avec les autres.
Puis on a un foster, alors en plus.
Donc, please don't be discouraged. It does take 6 to 8 weeks. At this point, when she has no more pain, she will whine a lot. Do not give in. She doesn't like being isolated from the other dogs. We have 3 other dogs that she's used to playing with. You can see she's still happy, but she'd rather be romping around with the other dogs. That's probably the hardest part that you'll have to face, is the fact that she whines and whimpers and wants to come out all the time. But you can't do it. You have to get crate rest. It is 6 to 8 weeks, and it is a minimum of 3 weeks before you can actually have her less isolated and still in the crate, but with other dogs roaming around her. The point is to try to get her to rest and not get excited, so that her back can actually heal. So we're seeing improvements slowly, but
it's kind of day to day, huh? Sometimes it seems like less improvements, sometimes more.
And one thing, she might get a sore on the tip of her nose, or your dog might get a sore right here at the tip of the nose. Don't panic, it's normal. It's because of the licking and the fact that they're pushing against the crate to try to get out. S'ils font une plaie sur le bout du nez, faut pas s'en faire, ça s'en va en dedans de 2-3 jours, c'est normalement parce qu'ils se lissent le bout du nez et qu'ils poussent dans la crate pour essayer de sortir, pour voir s'ils peuvent sortir. Ça dure normalement les 2-3 premiers jours que dans la cage. Puis après ça, ça s'en va parce qu'elle comprend qu'elle ne peut pas sortir, donc elle arrête d'essayer. Puis comme vous pouvez voir, elle est très de bonne humeur. Elle est toujours très de bonne humeur. C'était...
I actually have a Kong for her, so
yeah,
don't give her too much.
Just give her one treat. Ça aide toujours de la récompenser après qu'elle ait été faire ses besoins. After she goes and pees or poos, give her a little treat. It's positive reinforcement to the fact that she's doing right.
And just to say a little note that I filled a baby Kong with bits of carrots yesterday, and that kept her busy for quite a bit of time until she couldn't get to the pieces inside and then started whining because she wanted me to help her get the pieces out.
Since she's going to be in the crate, she still needs something to keep her busy. So a baby Kong, depending if she's a strong chewer or not, she's actually a strong chewer, but since we put food inside, she won't destroy the Kong like our other dogs did. Put any kind of healthy carrots. If your dog eats vegetables, put veggies in there. You have to try to keep their weight down, especially for dachshunds. Keep their weight down while they're in crate rest because they will gain weight a lot. Other good thing is take yogurt, fill the Kong with it, freeze it for a day or two, which will probably require getting more than one Kong. And stuff like that. Beef broth frozen in ice trays will also keep them busy for a few minutes and gives them nutrition. Any kind of food like that that is low fat, low sodium, because you have to know that the medication will make them pee a hell of a lot more than normal. So if you're having her in a crate, one of the good things to do at night is to put a pee pad down over her blankets, just because at night they might have accidents, and since the cortisone causes a lot of urination. So that's it. She's doing better. We'll keep on doing these tapes, and as a reference for people that are not knowing what to expect. But the most important thing is do not panic and don't despair. It does take 6 to 8 weeks of crate rest, and it does take at least 3 weeks of isolated crate rest.
And just